Alright, welcome back to another episode of We Rebuilds. Everybody, hey, Happy New Year's. Happy 2026. I hope everything work out for what y'all planned for in 2025, and I hope you get great things for 2026. Now, listen, what we got going on today is I'm trying to see if I could get this done because I got a couple of things to take care of today, which in one of them is just to do the oil change on the Ford Escape. I know there's plenty of videos about it, but I'm just gonna do one. I'll probably be different from other people. I don't know. But anyways, thanks. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to turn your post notifications on. Hey, and just say something in the comments section, okay? But what we got here today, we're gonna do the oil change first. I've already opened up right here. But what I need to do is we're gonna go under the car. There should be, I wanna say maybe 6 or 12 8mm bolts. So I gotta remove some 8mm bolts down the bottom. So, and the reason for that is, one, yes, to drain the oil, and the other thing is I still gotta replace this filter. So because I got to do all of that, we just gonna have to see if we could loosen that down the bottom. So I've almost everything prepped, ready to go. We have the little covers here and everything. So what I'm gonna do is stop talking and just get to work. So let's go. All right, first thing what I'm gonna try to do is try to see if I could get the car in the air. So I have some space when I'm working. We have everything locked into place. Now that we have everything locked into place, now I definitely gotta go underneath the car so I can start loosening those bolts. And then once I start loosening those bolts, then we could pull the filter off and then open the drain pan as well, and we could drain the oil out. I also have another little tool that, you know, I could basically put in here, put right here, and it sucks up all the oil. But since I already have to go underneath to take out the filter and put a new one in, I just didn't bother to use that. So we're just gonna do that right now. So let's go. Let me see if I'll be able to push it back a little. I was able to push it back a little. I don't want to see it. I don't want to bend it. So, all right, yeah. So I can get to the filter right here. So as you can see, filters right here. So easy access. I still might have to pull the whole thing off because the oil pan bolt is right there. So I still gotta maybe pull off the whole thing so I just could get everything out. It's off completely. off completely, so now we basically have full access. Can't remember if this is supposed to be a 15 or a 17, so I'm gonna just try a 17 first. I think this is it, but has a little bit on. Let me try a 16 to make sure. Yeah, so it's a 16, not a 17. Everything still looks good under here. It's been a while since I checked it. Alright, so we'll let that drain and go from there. Now I could just start removing the filter. It feels loose now. Yep. Alright, feels loose. And then now it looks like more oil is draining out.